So you want to choose between options without spaghetti code. That's what select does. Instead of stacking branches, select chooses instantly between values, clean, fast and easy. And here you can see on the screen we have option to add as many pin as we like, and we can also change its type. Like currently it's wildcard, whichever you connect it will change it to that, but it can be made to be selected like string, vector, integer, float, or it is anything like that. For now just I think we made it very clear. An index is a way add. I mean, how you gonna tell it which ones to choose? So for now, we just gonna leave it to index. And to get this node, just right click and times select, and you can select this one as you can see on the screen. You will get this node. But for now, just remove it because we have our logic already prepared. Where, as you can see on the screen, we have a loop of 0.2 seconds. And here we have a variable called value which is set to -100, and we will keep adding 5 to it. And as it is right now at -100, it will go on to cross the value of 0 and then 100. So this logic will help us to select the appropriate string to show. If the value stays below 0, it will print below 0. If it is between 100 and 0, then it will print the value itself. And when it's above 100, it will say above 100. Let's just see in action, and then we will understand it properly. As you can see on the screen right now, we have the print string of below 0, and as soon as it crosses 0, it's starting to add up like 0, 10, 15 and something like that. And as soon as cross 100, it showed us above 100, and it's actually perfect for switching between animation, adjust movement or handling state. If else trees look ugly, select is elegant. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.